Hi, I'm Megha Joshi and Megzy Pop for you. The monsoon's still on. How is it treating you? To add more excitement to the monsoon, today we're going to make cheese straws. But before I get started, please don't forget to click on the bell icon to get regular updates of my recipes. Before we get started, please take a screenshot of the list of ingredients that's on your screen so that you can refer to it later on. So what we're going to do first is we're going to take our flour, we're going to add it in a mixing bowl, all of it. Then we're going to take butter. It's hard butter. It's like how you make pastry. And I'm going to fold the butter into the flour, okay? So you'll just see. So I am just folding in the butter with the flour, all right? Your flour will become quite grainy. It should become grainy. So we will add the cheese to the dough. Yeah, it's just grated cheddar cheese, right? And we will fold that in as well. So we're just folding in the cheese nicely. Now I will be adding the salt to taste. Please remember your cheese has salt already and so does your butter. So I'm just going to add a little bit of salt, some baking powder. Okay, and to get flavor, some cayenne pepper. All right. Now I'm going to fold these in, just mixing it really well. My dough is actually so soft. It's really soft. Okay. Now to bind the dough, we're going to add sour milk. And now we have to mix it really well. Right. So your dough must become one like this, okay? Now what I'm going to do is we're going to keep this aside and I'm going to take a piece of it, like a decent piece, something like this, and we're going to put it on a flat surface. See, you have to make it thin and long, okay? What I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut these in small pieces and set it on a tray. So I'll just get my tray out. Now I'm just going to cut it and place it in my baking tray, right? So my cheese straws are now ready to go in the oven. I'm going to bake these at 120 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. So my cheese straws are ready. I let it cool and I've plated it. I'm serving it with a nice dip, but you can have it with any dip of your choice, with hummus or even a nice cup of tea or coffee. Now, if you've enjoyed my recipe today of the cheese straws, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to India Food Network. Before I sign off, I have to try this.